Okay, today we're going to learn how to find a quadratic equation with rational coefficient and given irrational root. Okay, so before we do that, we need to know. So let's say there's a 2 and 3 is a 0. Let's say, okay. Then do you remember? Just x minus 2. From here 2 is a 0, then x minus 2, right? 3 is a 0, then x minus 3, right? 0 means equals 0, right? Then if you do FOIL it, this x squares and minus 3x and minus 2x and plus 6, right? Plus 6 equals 0. So we combine the like terms, x squares minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. From this 2, 0, we can find the quadratic equation right away, like this. But anybody can tell this 2 and 3, what is this 5? What's the relation?
X.
2 plus 3.
2 plus 3. Wow, that's a sum. How about here, 6?
2 times 3.
Good, that's a product, right? Actually, when we solve this is quadratic equation, factoring 2, 3, oh, minus, minus. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So this should be product, this should be sum. Everybody got it? So without going this, we can go now right away. If when you know the 2, 0, x squares minus sum x plus product equals 0 right away. You know what I'm saying? Still you can go that way and then you can find that way. Yes.
This is A, right?
Yeah, we are doing A, but introduction. So, let's say 3 and negative 4 is let's say 0. You can go x minus 4 and x minus 3 and x plus 4. And then you can FOIL it. But now using this formula, x squares, sum is what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Then negative sum, negative 1x. What is product? E. Product, this one multiplying is what?
Oh.
Yeah, negative 12 equals 0. So, x squares plus x minus 12. Without FOILing this, you can get it right away. So that means x squares minus some x plus product, you better memorize. Okay? And so quadratic formula, when you quadratic equation, do you remember? Ax squares plus bx plus c equals 0. Quadratic formula says minus b plus minus root b squares minus 4ac over 2a. Do you remember that, right? So from that, let's say 2 plus root 3, then usually you will answer 2 plus minus root 3. Answer like that. Which means 2 root 3, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, right? We call this one exact same, only this in front of a square root or in front of I. Sign is opposite, we call it conjugate. Because they go together. One is a 0, then this conjugate, other conjugate should be 0 too. Do you understand? They go together. Because plus minus square root thing. Do you remember that? So what I'm saying, any contain I or contain root, then you think of conjugate because that should be another 0. Do you understand what I'm saying? So first you need to know what is conjugate. Conjugate means everything same. From with this number, conjugate is minus 2, 2 root 2. Only in front of root, this is plus, then minus. When this is minus plus. This number and this number, we call it conjugate. That means this is 1, 0, the other one should be 0. This is a really, like really working well. So, x squares. Now let's find sum. Sum means you add these two numbers. Then minus sum, right? This plus root 2 and minus root 2 is the same, and that sign is opposite, that cancels out. So sum is just negative 4. Okay? And product. Do you remember a plus b times a minus b? That can be first one, second one. So first one square minus second one square. Do you remember that? From here, difference square, we can factor it this way. Or product, sum and difference, that will be square roots of difference. Okay? Because that works really well with this too. Because a plus b, a minus b, then a square minus b is 2 root 2 square. Everybody got it? So that one is now what? Minus 2 square is 4. This one square is minus 4, 2 square, that's 4. Square root 2 square is 2. So 4 minus 8, which is a negative 4. So you can find answer like that right away. Okay? So final answer, x squares minus minus plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. You'll find answer like that right away. But a lot of school, they didn't teach this one. The reason, this is 1, 0, minus 2 root 2, that's a 0. Then, do you remember x minus, when this is 0 and x equals 2, 2 is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor, right? So 2 plus root 2 is 0, then x minus 2 plus root 2, that's one factor. So this is a 0, then that's one factor. And this is a 0, then that's a 0. And we FOIL it. If we FOIL it, so we need to get rid of penalty inside first. Minus minus plus 2 minus plus, that's minus 2 root 2. And x minus minus plus 2 minus minus plus 2 root 2. Because this is 3 term. This is 3 term. You distribute it, there will be 9 term. And then you simplify after you do FOILing, there will be 9 term. If you simplify, you will get this. Do you see what I'm doing right now? If we do it that way, you will go crazy. And then a lot of chance to make mistake. It's simple. Everybody got it? So let's practice one more. But you know to do it. You know to do it. Now what? This one, you need to change it to the form a plus bi or a plus b into something. So what I'm saying, this is a plus 3 minus 5. You need to change this one this way. Otherwise, you make mistake, chance mistake. Now this one, 3 conjugate is what? 3 plus root 5. Everybody got it? Conjugate means everything same. Sign of in front of a root, only that sign is opposite. That's a conjugate. Make sense? So now x squared. Sum, this cancels out, sum is 6. So minus sum x product. Product means the first one square, so 3 square minus second one root 5 square. So this is 9 minus 5, which is 4. That's the answer. Everybody got it?